Hello everyone, welcome back to Pharma Zenith. So friends, in today's session, we are going to discuss about part 3 of MCQs on Pharmaceutics first. Myself, Ambore Sandeep. Moving to the next question, which of the following is not a monophasic liquid dosage form? Options are solution, gargles, suspension, enemas. We have to find out the liquid dosage form which is not monophasic. And the correct answer is suspension. See, the suspension is a biphasic liquid dosage form in which finely divided solid particles are uniformly distributed in liquid media. So it is biphasic. Next, elixirs are hydroalcoholic liquid, aqueous, viscous, semi-solids. And the correct answer is hydroalcoholic liquid. Means elixirs contain both hydro means water and alcohol. Next question, dash dash is not a type of syrup. Options are simple syrup, medicated syrup, flavored syrup, and mixed syrup. Can you guess the correct answer? Correct answer is mixed syrup. Out of these four options, simple syrup, medicated syrup, and flavored syrup are the type of syrup, but this mixed syrup is not type. Liniments must not be applied on the dash dash skin. Options are swelled, broken, painful, and normal. Can you guess the correct answer? Correct answer is broken skin. See, after application of liniment, it causes irritation to that particular part. Specifically, broken part will get worse. So, we have to avoid application of liniment on broken skin. Next question, enemas are administered. Options are rectally, orally, parenterally, externally. As we know that enemas are administered rectally. Dash dash drops are used in otic cavity. Options are eye, ear, nasal cavity, none of these. And the correct answer is ear drops. Ear drops are used in otic cavity. Ear cavity is another name for otic cavity. Next question, dash dash is used as a throat paint vehicle. Options are glycerin, water, syrup, solutions. As we have already discussed in last session, throat paint vehicle should be viscous in nature. So out of these four options, correct answer is glycerin. Glycerin is more viscous than water and syrup, etc. Next question. In artificial syrup, which ingredient is used? Options are glucose, sucrose, fructose, and saccharine. Can you guess the correct answer? Correct answer is saccharine. In case of artificial syrup, we are using saccharine, and in simple syrup, we are using sucrose. Concentration will be 66.7% weight by weight. Next question, which of the following excipient act as a preservative? Options are sorbitan monolactate, tylopoxam, benzethinium chloride, thiomersal. And correct answer is thiomersal. It acts as a preservative. Buffering agent is also called as. Options are sweetening agent, thickening agent, pH modifiers, and weighting agent. The correct answer is pH modifiers. Another name for buffering agent is pH modifiers. Next, saccharine is an example of natural sweetening agent, artificial sweetening agent, flavoring agent, humectant. As we have already discussed in last few questions, saccharin, it is an artificial sweetening agent. Next, suspending agent imparts solubility, absorption, viscosity, weighting. After addition of suspending agent, viscosity of that particular formulation increases and it becomes more stable. So viscosity is the right answer. Next, disodium EDTA is an example of. Options are switching agent, flavoring agent, chelating agent, preservative. Correct answer is chelating agent. It acts as the chelating agent. Next, which of the following is a natural colorant? A. Amaranth, B. Erythrocyan, C. Eosin, and D. Carotenoids. We have to find out natural colorant. And the correct answer is carotenoids. Next, cochineal is a dash agent. Options are flavoring agent, sweetening agent, coloring agent, thickening agent. And the correct answer is coloring agent. Cochineal is an example of coloring agent. Next, which of the following is anti-foaming agent? Options are methyl cellulose, aspartame, sucrose, simethicone. Which one is anti-foaming agent? And the answer is simethicone. Next, which of the following is not a vehicle? Options are glycerol, water, butylated hydroxyl toluene, rose water solution. The correct answer is BHT, that is butylated hydroxyl toluene. Remaining glycerol, water, and rose water can be used as a vehicle, but this BHT cannot be used as a vehicle. Next, BCS stands for Biopharmaceutical Classification System, Biological Classification System, Binomial Classification System, Basic Classification System. And the correct long form of BCS is Biopharmaceutical Classification System. Next, cetrimide and macrogold are an example of sweetening agent, coloring agent, emulsifying agent, none of these. Can you guess the correct answer? These are example of emulsifying agent. Next, need for mouthwash is the result of condition called yawning, halitosis, indigestion, a sore throat. See, mouthwash is needed in different cases. And in this particular case, the condition is halitosis. Halitosis is foul mouth, bad odor. Bad odor. Next, dash are oily or aqueous solutions that are administered rectally. Options are suspension, otic solution, nasal drops, enemas. And the correct answer is enemas. Enemas are either oily or aqueous in nature but are administered rectally. Next, diffusible drugs are formulated without the use of buffers, wetting agent, suspending agent, both B and C. And the correct answer is both B and C. Diffusible drugs can be formed without wetting agent and suspending agent. Next, CPT consists of. These are the different options. These are quite long, so kindly go through it. And long form of this CPT is compound powder triglyceride. And the correct answer is D, that is 20% acacia, 15% dragacan, 20% starch, and 45% sucrose. Next, which of the following enzyme is present in acacia? Options are peroxidase, ligase, alpha amylase, glutamate. The correct answer is peroxidase. Peroxidase is present in acacia as an enzyme. And next, the prescription is an order written by registered medical practitioner to. Options are patient, pharmacist, compounder, or nurse. The correct answer is pharmacist. Prescription is a written order given by registered medical practitioner to the pharmacist. Next question. In which language the abbreviations in the prescription writing is very common, especially in dosage instruction? Options are Latin, Greek, French, English. And the correct answer is Latin. The prescription must be received and checked by. Options are patient, pharmacist, compounder, nurse. Can you guess the correct answer? Correct answer is pharmacist. It must be received and checked by pharmacist only. The superscription is represented by a symbol. Options are Rx, DC, Doc, PH. And that correct answer is Rx. Superscription is represented by symbol Rx. In the day of mythology, the symbol Rx was considered as prayer to A. Jupiter, B. Jesus, C. Neptune, and D. Dhanvantari. Any guesses? Correct answer is Jupiter. The symbol Rx was considered as a prayer to Jupiter. The abbreviation of Latin word Rx is you take, to make, to sold, to use. The correct answer is you take. Next, the part of prescription called inscription contains name and quantity of ingredients, B. Name and age, C. Signature and address, D. Registration number and patient information. Inscription. Inscription contains name and quantity of ingredients. As we all know, prescription contains three major parts: superscription, inscription, and subscription. And in case of inscription, it contains name and quantity of ingredients. Next, the last item written in the inscription is vehicle and diluent, active ingredients, medicament, quantity. You know that inscription contains vehicle and diluent as a last item. Next, the part of prescription called subscription contains. Options are direction to the pharmacist, direction to the patient, direction to the patient's relatives, all of these. Subscription, actually it is a direction to the pharmacist, how to prepare that formulation. Next, the action-based error is also called as slips, lapse, exhaustion, application. The correct answer is slips. It is an action-based error. Next, the memory-based error are also known as, options are slips, lapse, knowledge, reports. And the correct answer is labs. Thank you very much. If you like this content, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get next videos. Thank you.